Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two hosting platforms, which is Shopify and PrestaShop. So let's quickly get started. Before we dive into it, this video is based on collective data review. So let's quickly get started. Shopify is the go-to for beginners who want a quick, polished online store without dealing with code or hosting. It's fast, secure, and packed with professional templates and apps that makes setup simple. You also get 24/7 support and also integrate payment, perfect for business owner who want ease and speed. However, Shopify monthly fee and transaction costs can add up, and customization is limited unless you are on a higher plan. PrestaShop, on the other hand, gives you a fully control and the flexibility since it's open source. It's ideal for tech-savvy sellers who want to fine-tune every part of their store. You won't pay a monthly fee for the software itself, but you will need to handle hosting, update, and security, while it's more customizable and cost-effective long-term, and it requires more technical skills and effort to manage. So in conclusion, Shopify went for simplicity and speed, as we all know, while PrestaShop shines for customization and control. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.